unveiled the Find 10 Automobile Lamborghini Edition, which has super fast charging. Oppo says it can charge a battery from 0% to 100% in 35 minutes. The Lamborghini Edition Find 10 will cost €1,699, which is about $1,969. The phone will also have 512 megabytes of storage, a carbon fiber texture underneath the glass on the back of the device, and will be engraved with the Lamborghini logo. Otherwise, the Lamborghini Edition Find 10 will have similar specs to the standard Find 10 device, including face recognition, a 25-megapixel selfie camera, and a screen that covers more than 93% of the front of the phone. Oppo is launching the Find 10 in Europe this August,